those were transformed into high schools, my lord. And it was been challenged before the division bench, and division bench has upheld the decision of the government, my lord. Now, what is
Oh,
the
that's
issue?
right. No, no, I'm not on that.
My
On principle, because this is why I flagged this matter,
My lord,
just to understand. I'm not deciding this issue,
my lord, my lord.
but it has been decided, right?
Yes, yes, my
Ah.
lord.
Okay. Both sides are duly represented on the prayer made by Mr.
M. Ali.
M. Ali, with counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned today. List after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May I please, as
Yes,
your lordship?
sir.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 30, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, the issue is not surviving at this moment, my lord. So a week's time may kindly be given, my lord. Take the update, please. Item 30, my lord.
Okay. Item 30, both sides are represented.
Fine.
On the prayer made by Mr. A.R. Rahman and counsel for the petitioner, matters will adjourn to enable him to obtain instructions as to whether the issue involved in this petition is alive
Or not, my lord.
or not.
Fine.
List after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Fine.
Okay.
Obliged, sir.
I'm sorry, my lord, in item 3, my lord, stay order is there, my lord, that's my problem.
Item 3, last time when the matter was listed, nobody was present. Why you want an extension of the order now?
Last time, my lord,
Okay, interim order passed today, has extended to the next date of listing. So it is made clear that if the matter stands adjourned on the next date on the prayer made by the petitioner, comma, the interim order may not be extended on the next date. So this time I extended, but next time it won't be extended.
Public.
May it please your lordship,
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 8 of the daily news. Your lordship, I pray your lordship to kindly adjourn the matter for the day as.
Item?
follows. Item number 8. Kindly adjourn the matter for the day as my senior is out of station for an urgent matter in Udalguri.
okay. List after 2 weeks as prayed for by land council for the petitioner.
Obliged, your lordship.
May I please listen? In item number 11, Lucy. In this case, we have appearing for respondent 4, 3, 4, and 5, and we have been issuing file affidavit today, so Lordship be allowed to call the reports. Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? With the consent of the other party, I beg to mention item 6. My senior has some difficulties so that he couldn't appear today.
Oh, just a moment, item 6. The land council for the petitioner pays for adjournment. See the office note dated 12/4/2023, indicating that notice has not been served on respond number 8. So according to the petitioner is directed to take first steps within 2 days for service of notice on respond number 8 by usual process as well as by registered post with AD. List after 4 weeks awaiting service of notice on respond number 8. Yes,
My lord, item 4 may be taken up at 2 PM, my lord. I'm making this prayer on the request of N. Saikia, my lord.
okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. We are appearing in private respondent Nazrul Islam. We want to file affidavit in opposition, kindly grant 3 weeks time on behalf of my senior, AK Protester.
You have informed the other side.
Yes, my lord.
Item 4, 5.
Yes, yes. Item 4.
No, he's making a prayer on 5.
Oh, oh.
You informed the other side, no? No, then wait for your call. Oh, yeah,
Identify, I am for a petitioner.
yes.
Takes time is there, takes time for filing affidavit, madam.
Okay. Both sides are represented. Land counsel for the respondent number 5 prays for and granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. List accordingly. Okay,
Item number 5 is infractions. I'm sorry, my lord. A regular headmaster has been appointed. They were fighting for the in-charge headmastership.
or is it?
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
I apologize. my lord.
Issue is my lord, our seniority, my lord, between the two teachers, madam.
The order that I had last read, my lord, the effective order, it was whether the lordship would have the order.
1411.
Yes, my lord. Matter pertains to seniority between the petition and the private respondent number 4 who are serving as assistant teachers in the Kandulimari Serajia High School, a provincialized high school in the state of the state in the district of Nagaon. And regarding holding the post of in-charge headmaster of the said high school. Then if lordship will come down below, pendency of the receipt petition shall not be
Yes,
above
yes,
the
I've seen that.
respondents
I've seen that.
to fill up by regular headmaster. Now regular headmaster is coming.
Okay. So number 1, there is no respondent number 5 here. And number 4 has been promoted.
My lord, we may kindly be granted liberty to challenge that order, my lord.
Okay, no, that you always have. You want an adjournment or it can be closed with this? He's been promoted.
Since they are seeking time today, my lord, and
No,
my
means
lord,
the
let the matter come
issues-
up next week, within 10 days, my lord.
Okay. Respondent 4. What is your name?
Didas.
Didas for respondent 4. So, adjournment. Mr. Param Das, government counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. R. Mazumdar, understanding counsel for the second education department,
My lord.
has produced a copy of order dated 22/2/2021, and it is issued by the director, the secondary education assigned, by which the respondent number 4 has been promoted to the post of regular headmaster and is posted in Kandulmari, KANDULLMARI. No, sorry, Kandulimari. KN, how do you spell it?
It is KANDHULIMARI.
Hmm.
Thereafter SERAJIA. Kandulimari Serajia.
Serajia High School, no. Stop. Arrest John, the instance of the counsel for the petitioner and respondent number 4. List. After 3 weeks. The copy of order dated 22/2/2021 is written on record.
My lord, RM Decca, my lord.
RM Decca, I'm sorry. Right.
Lordship should be giving a fixed date on the matter. My lord, to be disposed of on the
Individually, will
next
take
minutes.
instruction, my lord. And
Because if it's infractions, let it be on-
The pending keeps filing.
okay, after 3 weeks, give a date. You're right. No point having infractions matter.
May I please your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 and 13 for adjournment. As my senior could not be present today because of his wife, LN Chaudhary is admitted to hospital in ICU.
okay. Those are the duly represented on the prayer made by Land Council to the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned today. List after 2 weeks.
Yes. Obliged.
Yes. Smaller.
Item 15 and 16, I want to mention that it's a matter relating to amalgamation of schools. Now it has come after a long time, whether the grievances still subsist or not. But I will take a short adjournment and take instruction from.
Okay, both sides are represented. On the prayer made by Mr. DP Power and counsel for the petitioner, the matter is adjourned to enable him to obtain instructions if the issue raised in this petition is alive or not. Just after 2 weeks.
Next, Mr. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. The quiz method become infrastructure. 23.
Okay, both sides are duly represented. On instruction, Mr. IC and counsel for the petitioner submits that as the order has been complied with, the matter has become infructuous. Order has been complied with.
And their service has been adjusted. Lordship.
Okay, huh?
Their service has been adjusted. Is it
Okay. Accordingly, this matter stands closed, very will rendered infructuous.
much?
Delay list item number 1 for admission.
Item number 1, we were required to file an affidavit. Due to vacations, I could not file it. It has been filed today morning. The affidavit has been filed today morning, my lord.
But after 10 o'clock, I have received the affidavit, but the affidavit discloses not only one thing, that my proposal for my appointment was forwarded, but the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department, he expressed his inability not to appoint as because it has passed 1 year. After expiry of 1 year, he has expressed his inability. That is the only ground.
Okay, let it, we'll take it up on Friday, let that
Fine.
affidavit be on record.
Maybe on Friday.
Both sides are represented. Mr. R. Mazumdar and standing counsel for the Secondary Education Department submits that an affidavit has been filed by the respondents today morning. A copy of which has been served on Mr. K. M. Haloid and counsel of the petitioner. Which will accordingly release the matter on Friday, along with the so the registry shall tag the said affidavit on record.
Friday. Much.
To this matter, I would like to file an additional affidavit. Lordship. 1 day.
Why?
Okay. Lordship, because in this matter, Lordship, additional affidavit.
My lord, this is a matter of 2017. They're enjoying a stay order, my lord. I oppose the prayer for adjournment.
No, why? That's what I'm asking. Why? Why
Yes.
not an affidavit?
Filed one affidavit in opposition earlier, Lordship.
When?
Subsequent to that, I have filed one reply. And again, after that, Lordship, one counter affidavit was filed, Lordship, and in reply to that, I require 1 day time to file this additional affidavit.
My lord, in this
This
case,
is,
there is an aspect which needs to be highlighted, my lord.
Yes.
Now, the modified impugn order is not under challenge. They have suppressed, while filing the writ petition, they suppressed that fact. My lord, and modified order was issued to them, which they declined to accept. That's why we filed an application under 226(3), which is also pending, my lord. It's a pure and simple case of a probationer because he was found to be not suitable, my lord. He was released. Against that, my lord, he is enjoying a stay order for the last 6-7 years. 6 years, sorry.
For 6 years.
Yes.
But
Otherwise, my lord, he is a
after
substantive
discharging-
employee of Dibrugarh University, having a lien over his post.
Because after discharge, you are enjoying a stay. That is.
Yes. As if, my lord, final relief was given, my lord. My lord, it's not stigmatic. We have assessed him for continuance. We found him to be not suitable.
You do whatever you want. We'll take it up on Monday, but no adjournment on that day. We'll make it clear. Because
Okay, my lord.
comfortable for you Monday.
My lord.
Uh,
Otherwise, also doesn't look nice, my lord. Matter of 2017.
No, you are right. Absolutely right. Because when a person is discharged and they is enjoying stay for 7 years is
Yes.
something. This is which what we call it looks bad. In fact,
Huh? We have not done so.
Monday.
I'm told, my lord, Monday is a holiday, my lord.
Okay.
Then it will be on 25th, my lord.
Okay. Mr. MP Sharma, and counsel for the petitioner, praised for adjournment to file affidavit in reply against the counter affidavit filed by respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4. Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Ravi Senior Counsel. Assisted by Mr. A. Upadhyay, and counsel for the respondent numbers 2 and 3 is present and submits that although the petitioner has been discharged from service by the impugn order dated 11/10/2017, by way of an interim order passed on 30/10/2017, the petitioner is continuing his service and continues to occupy the residential quarter. So hence, he registers a strong objection as to the prayer for adjournment. Stop. Next, it is noted that the affidavit in opposition by respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4 was filed long back on 1/10/2018. Therefore, the petitioner had 5 years in hand to file affidavit, which has not yet been filed. Hence, it is provided that the petitioner shall file the affidavit in opposition positively by 21/4/2023 by serving a advance copy thereof to the learned counsel for respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4. List on 25/4/2023, next para. It is also noted that an interrogatory application being ISC 2368 of 2018 for vacating the stay under Article 226 within bracket 3 is also pending. Hence, it is provided that the prayer for extension of interim relief and obligor for vacating of the stay shall be taken up for hearing on 25/4/2023. If in the event the entire matter cannot be heard on this day.
Keep them.
Nine. Item number 9.
May I please, your lordship, the matter has become infructuous, your lordship, as he has been appointed as for grade Chowkidar.
Okay.
And on
On instructions, your name
T. Ramseri, Triveni Ramseri.
is T. Ramseri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that as the petitioner has been appointed on compassionate ground, the matter has become infructuous. Mr. Mazumdar, learned counsel for Secondary Education Department, and Mr. A. Bokalia, G. Bokalia, government advocate appearing for the state respondents are present.
Obliged.
Ten.
May it pleases your lordship, we have filed our affidavit, your lordship, on 9 November 2018. Respondent number 2, 3, and 5, BTC.
Did you file long back 2018?
Yes, your lordship. 9 November 2018. 9/11/2018.
Is the matter alive?
Your lordship, petitioner were appointed, your lordship, as per our affidavit, your lordship, that is on page 2, paragraph 4. That with regard to the statements made in paragraph 1 of the writ petition, the answering deponent begs to state that the instant petitioners might be entitled to all the rights and privileges, but their claim must have to come under the existing rules of law of the government of Assam in regard to promotion, upgradation of a grade 4 staff to LDA post in the government job. And your lordship, it was also deponent beg to stated that there has not issued any advertisement or promotion. Paragraph 5, your lordship, not issued any advertisement or notice for promotion of grade 4 to LDA vacant post under Buxar district. Therefore, there is no question of submission of application and actions, and inaction arises, your lordship.
Okay. Now appears on call for the petitioner. Ms. P. Das, learned counsel for the BTC, has referred to the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent numbers 2, 3, and 5. And it is submitted that for the purpose of promotion, the entitlement would be in terms of the service rules applicable. And moreover, it is submitted that at the relevant time, no advertisement has been issued for promotion of grade 4 employees to grade 3 employees, grade 3 posts. Accordingly, it is submitted that there is no question of disposing of any representation.
Paragraph 9, your lordship, page 3.
Next, be that as it may, as the petitioner is absent on call, the matter stands adjourned for range of justice. Next, it is made clear that if the petitioner remains absent on call on the next date, adverse orders will follow. Yes.
DPO.
This matter, 2 weeks.
11.
$11.90. We do it 12%. Just. Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, earlier Mr. S. was appeared in this matter. Today, they have filed in reply matter. We have paid for list the matter after 2 weeks matter. So that we can take instruction from our team.
So we have filed an affidavit today, my lord, for respondent of 3, 4, and 5, my lord.
Is the matter subject matter alive?
My lord, that my lord, I have to obtain his September. First issue, my lord, they have already appointed another person regarding the termination lane, left part, my lord.
No, but that was 2018. We can't do anything right now. Can we grant you the prayer as it stands today? This prayer can only be granted when the recruitment takes place.
My lord.
How is the subject matter alive?
His appointment has already been made, my lord. His post was a term post, my lord, has already been completed and he was released, my lord. Thereafter,
Yes, Mr. Bhuya. Is it alive?
I don't think so, Lordship. I don't think so because our part in the engineering college, he has resigned, Lordship.
No, it's not that. You see, the prayer is that he should get preference for the post of controller examinations in Cotton University. In Cotton University, the controller is already there.
Lordship.
So I can't, what you call, sack him and then ask the petitioner's case to be considered.
Yes, Lordship.
So that it is alive.
test selection was held, my lord, and new incumbent has already been appointed, lordship.
In fact, sir,
I think Mr. Sega, we will close this matter.
My lord,
You agitate your right when it comes.
yes,
my lord, please to take after 1 week. Because we have failed to communicate with my client also, my lord.
No, you see, it doesn't, adjourn it, but it doesn't,
sir,
you see, what to say? You see, the first pair is, I've already told you, that is the first
My lord,
pair.
absolutely.
Second pair is that you you want to go back to his earlier post.
My lord,
So that is your right. If that right is, what you call, you have a DN over the original post. You have a right to go there. Why you need an order of the court?
That probably, my lord, that part required to obtain instruction because my lord, S. Chakraborty was there. Today I also failed to communicate with Mr. S. Chakraborty.
Because it's not believable that you, for 5 years, you have not gone and joined your post.
My lord, after 1 week, so then Mr. S. Chakraborty may be.
Okay, all sides are duly presented. It appears to the court that the matter has become infructuous. Mr. Bhava, on the claim made by Mr. P. Cycle and counsel for the petition, the matter stands adjourned today. Enable them to obtain instructions. List after 2 weeks.
Masood.
And the affidavit in opposition filed by the Cotton University be tagged on record. Check on.
14.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
in this case, my lord, no affidavit has been filed by the government. This is regarding upgradation of post in higher secondary. From high school to higher secondary, it was upgraded. But as per assurance during upgradation, that was not done. The Lordship may kindly see.
Yes.
Annex 12.
But Mr. Chaudhary, your main prayer is for absorption. That can only be done because if the vacancy is there and you can apply.
Vacancy
that is-
already they are post have been provincialized. No, this is regarding creation of post, madam. They were assured for creation of post, madam, there while it was upgraded by an order. The Lordship may kindly see annexer 9,
Page.
page 29. In inviting a reference to the government letter on the subject cited above, I am.
But there can't be a mandamus to the state to create posts.
Malade, regarding that stage is over, Malade. Already there has been order of the order of this honorable court. That I have annexed, Malade, at page 39, annexer 14. The same, and after this, Malade.
Because here there is only a direction to
Yes,
examine the
yeah.
matter.
Hereafter, my lord, your lordship may kindly see annexure 15. They were given assurance for the my lord, creation of post my lord, in 2001 and 2 financial year, but their posts have been my lord, provincialized in 2013 by giving effect to my lord, from 2014.
But still, it is a decision of the government whether to create posts or to appoint
The
someone.
government, my lord, but their high school that was upgraded, my lord, around 12 years back, my lord. And with
No, I
the
understand,
assurance,
but can the court pass an order to the state to create posts and to absorb you? That is something we can't do.
my lord, that assurance, my lord, that was a legitimate expectation of the petitioners. my
No,
lord,
there
at
can't be
that- at that
legitimate
time.
expectation.
At that time, my lord. Let the government say, my lord, on this, my lord, by filing affidavit, my lord, then the.
No, you see, Mr. Chaudhary, there must be some, what you call, the court must arrive at a finding. What finding do I record?
My lord, the correspondence, if your lordship.
No, you see, the proposals are there.
In
Let me tell you. The, every department will, let us say, for example, it's only an example. Let us say that all the, that there are 100 departments in the government. All 100 departments write to the government to create 100 posts each in every department.
But there is clear assurance by the
No,
government.
I understand. But here also you see at every level, this, what you call decision has been taken to recommend 100 posts in 100 department. But still there's it's a prerogative of the government to create posts or not. How
It is
can
all
there be a
right, my lord.
direction?
It is prerogative of the government. It is all right, my lord. But while upgradation was done, there was a commitment on the part of the government that in the next financial year, the post will be created. But it was not done. While through a writ petition, the petitioners came before this honorable court, then the court has passed a order for consideration regarding that. And then they passed an order in 2013, my lord, and the posts were created and their services were provincialized, with effect from 2014, 2014. That is my case, my lord. If if in between this period, my lord, the transitional period, if your lordship sees the director of secondary education request on the basis of that assurance, my lord, then your lordship will find that funds were available. And it was later after later director had returned to the government for creation of post. Funds were also available, but it was not done. And we were
No,
serving.
but we don't have power. The court doesn't create a post. The court can't direct the government to create a post. That is the prerogative of the executive. We can't.
But we were serving, my lord, in the postgraduate, 7 teachers were serving in the postgraduate level, my lord. But
No, we can, but we don't have anything to do. It is the prerogative of the government. I can't, possibly the court can't pass an order.
maybe government's prerogative, my lord. But why that undertaking was given, my lord, that in the next financial year, this will be created, the post will be created. But in spite of the director of secondary education's letter, it was not done. And after 12 years, the services were provincialized.
Sure.
Whether these are arbitrary action of the government or not, my lord, that is the question, my lord. Let them file affidavit, my lord.
No, that's not
in
required.
regard to the-
It's not required. You see, the authority competent to give you a, what you call an assurance has to be by the authority of the governor. Anybody, any secretary can't give you an assurance without the order of the governor. Constitutional mandate has to be complied with.
Constitutional mandate, my lord, governors, my lord, the decisions are taken by the.
No, even a
secretary level.
promise must be made by the governor. In the name of the governor at least.
But secretary acts on behalf of the governor, my lord, if
No,
anything done
that
by the.
is, you can sue him and recover
It's a
compensation.
decision of the body, my lord.
You show me any authority by any court where direction has been issued to create post and to absorb.
This is, my case is not regarding creation of post only, my lord. They had assured for creation of post and upgradation was done on that basis. But in spite of the director of secondary education letter regarding creation of post and stating about that the funds were available, it can be done, but it was not done. they have decided to do it for last 12 years. Now, after 12 years, it was done, after the direction of this honorable court. That is the case, my lord. So whether an affidavit will be required in this aspect, my lord,
Not required,
regarding that.
because
If it is not required, then I leave up to your lordship, my lord.
Because
Your
Mr. Chaudhary,
lordship pass
because
order.
Mr. Chaudhary, let us assume the worst. Let us assume that today an affidavit is being filed by the Director of Elementary Education. He undertakes that he is ready and willing to do it. No, let us say, let us take him for example. It's only an example. Let us say that today the director is here in court. He is sitting beside Mr. Mazumdar. He is ready and willing to sign an affidavit that he is agreeing to your proposal. To your, to the prayer made in the writ petition, he is agreeable.
But I have brought a case, my lord, before this honorable court, whether their say will be, that will be produced by this honorable court or.
That is why I am asking you.
Or dismissed.
I'm asking you, the director is present before us, let us assume, and is admitting to your, what you call prayer.
Then I leave up to your lordship, my lord, whatever order is passed.
But still, can I do it? Let us assume that the director is present. He admits now.
If my lord, for last, it was filed in 2018, and for last 4 years, my lord, for 5 years, it is pending for filing affidavit, my lord. The last order may be seen by.
No, I understand.
But,
If it doesn't file, we are taking up for hearing, then you show us before us that there's a prayer which can be ordered by the court.
And it may be taken up after a week, my lord, I'll continue.
Because even if everything is done, ultimately it goes back to the finance. Finance will say no. Even if the all the authorities are agreeable, even then the finance says no.
Finance department is also party here, my lord.
No,
Let them
that's
say, my
why.
lord, what they say, my lord.
No, they won't contest it. They won't contest. They can't say yes or no. Also, the duly represented on the prayer made by Mr. D. Chaudhary and counsel for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned today. List after 2 weeks.
17.
Mm. 2018, the challenge to the 2018 Act
Pending,
is pending still.
pending. Pending. That is what I was looking through last night. I did not have the file, but I found that this 446 is pending.
None appears on call for the petitioner. Mr. Mazumdar, no counsel for the respondent. Secondary Education Department is present. Arranges this is the matter stands adjourned today. List after 2 weeks. Is it likely to be taken up within 2 weeks? No.
Perhaps not. Was earlier heard for around 2 months. At a stretch by the division bench then, my lord, when Mrs. Chaya was here, but then it was released. A lot of questions have come up, so requiring a lot of examination.
Make it 4 weeks. List after 4 weeks. So as to enable the Learned Standing Council for the Secondary Education Department to inform the court about the status of
WPC 4468 of 18.
WPC 4468 of 18, which is stated to be pending before the division bench of the school.
18.
On behalf of my senior, Amish Ahmed, I'd like to adjourn the matter for
But the Director of Elementary Education.
both this matter and the next matter, item 19.
Non-recommendation. Online.
As for not found.
Elementary. SSA মই কৰি দিম মই এপ্লাই কৰি দিম SSA SSA কৰাই নাই কমপ্লিট কৰা নাই এলিমেন্টাৰী কৰিছে
This one of the executed.
নাই
Order dated 8
Yes.
18. By the order dated 8/10/18. The SSA was required to be included as a party. Of course, the second copy doesn't show that the SSA has yet been included. Issue is relating to the presence or absence of a dias code. And
Yes.
This has to be verified by the SSA. If the SSA say that they have the dias code, the director's order, the director of elementary education order will go. And if there is no
Yes.
dias code, then the order survives.
Yes,
Therefore, madam, perhaps due to non-implement of the SSA officially, they have not been able to take. Second copy does not, show,
no, even the first copy, the name is not there, respondent 5 is deleted.
but then it was said petition shall delete the name
Your
and
name?
instead include.
Your name?
M.R. Chaudhary.
Mr. M.R. Chaudhary, land counsel for the petitioner. He prays for adjournment. Mr. R. Mazumdar, and it's standing counsel for the secondary education department. Sorry, this is elementary education.
Elementary.
Elementary education department, and Ms. P. Das, land counsel for us
Respondent
for
PTC
Three and four.
3 and 4
Okay, then he will be 1 and 2 for P. Das, standing counsel BTC for 3 and 4. Next para. It is observed that despite order dated 8/10/2018, the petitioner is not implemented. Mission Director SSA as respondent number 5. Full stop. Next, it appears that without implementing the respondent of Service Shiksha Abhijan. The matter cannot be actually adjudicated. Next, but accordingly, matter stands adjourned today to enable the petitioner to implement Service Shiksha Abhijan in terms of order dated 8/10/2018, if so advised.
same
So the same may be done within a period of 3 working days. Very which the matter will proceed. Next, list after 2 weeks.
In 19, may I pray for some time?
19 also same.
It's not exactly the same. Because here they want the potentialization of the Bodo medium, Bodo unit of the Rottenpur High School. There I have to have my instructions, madam. The issue here is not regarding the diaspora.
No, it's not there. Yes, this is something which I think Mr. Mazumdar, you will have to
I
answer.
will have to file an affidavit, madam, so we'll give you 2 weeks time. Madam.
Okay. On the prayer made by Land Council for the petition of the matter is adjourned today. Mr. R. Mazumdar, standing counsel for the Elementary Education Department, prays for his granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition with the matter. List after 2 weeks.
I'm appealing for respondent number 3.
Okay, Ms. P. Das, he pays for respondent number 3. Okay.
Well,
23 for orders.
Dear Your Lordship, Your Lordship may give us some more time to find in IA, Your Lordship. We need to increase the new incumbents, Your Lordship.
Okay, on the prayer made by Land Council for the petitioner, stands adjourned to enable the petitioner to file an impleading application after putting the new incumbents to notice of complying with the orders of the court. First one. List along with the interlocutory applications.
Nice, Your Lordship. Yeah, please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, it was fixed for instruction, Lordship. Respondent authority take time, last order, Lordship, as per last order.
No, this is a contempt. Why will we ask the departmental council to take instructions? You have to impede the new incumbents. It's a contempt matter.
Yes, Lordship.
It is noted that the respondent is no longer the commissioner secretary to the elementary education department. Just accordingly, the petitioner shall put the new incumbent to notice of complying with the order of this court dated 7/6/2017 in WPC 163 or 2016 and file an application to impede the new incumbent. Mr. Madison is adjourned today list along with the impeding applications. We impede the new incumbent, otherwise this matters will be pending for years together.
26.
Yes. Mr. Mazumdar, this is elementary education. As per last order of 6/3/2020,
My lord,
the matter was awaiting approval from the finance department.
yes. The, my lord, I apologize, my lord, I do not have the copy with me. It is the 201 of 2022.
195 or 2018, contempt. 26.
There is another one, Mohendra, with the same.
Just look at this order.
same- Just trying to find out. what it was.
Now appears on call for the petitioner. For range of justice, the matter stands adjourned today, list after 2 weeks. I'm not recording your presence because otherwise it creates difficulties in contempt.
It is, what I'm trying to find out is, my lord, they give it 6435. I may have some instructions on this. They put up all the contempt orders in our group. So that address of this, they just place something if necessary. It's not downloading. There was some instruction. in the-
Okay, just take note of it. Okay, in the meanwhile, the petitioner is at liberty to put the new incumbent to notice of complying with the order of the court and file an impleading application. Yes,
Made a furtherance to my non-payment of areas like to the petitioner. The petitioners were dropped, this is my, their service was regularized on 14/7/2011. And thereafter they were paid my fixed pay as per the appointment letter dated 15 million. But at the same time, my lord, some of the similarly situated persons, my lord, paid 18 million, was paid my lord, regular scale of pay. Instead of my lord fixed pay, pays 18 my lord. Thereafter, petitioners filed a writ petition before this honorable court, my lord, challenging my lord payment of the regular scale of pay to the petitioner. Subsequently, this honorable court has passed an order, my lord, in beds of writ petition, your lordship will find page 19 onwards, my lord, on 23/5/2014, while directing to pay the regular salary to the petitioners. Accordingly, the petitioners were paid my lord regular salary from 2010-2012, my lord. That was paid in terms of the my lord, one rule amendment of rule, my lord.
yes,
But the area salary from my lord, 14/7/2011 to 2010/11, 2010, my lord, 2012,
from which
that was
date,
remain to be paid.
from which date?
From 14/7/2011 to my lord 2010-2012.
Okay, here you will have to file an affidavit.
Yes, my lord. I'll have to
For
request.
Mr. P. J. Saikar and counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners. Mr. It is also heard Mr. R. Mazumdar and Standing Counsel for the Elementary Education Department. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioners are getting their regular monthly salary on a time scale of pay from 2010 to 2012.
Well, yes.
First of however, the petitioners are claiming the area time scale of pay for the period from 14/7/2011 to 19/10/2012. First off, it is noted that it is seen that notice of motion was issued by order dated 19/2/2018. But till date, no affidavit in opposition has been filed. Next paragraph. In view of office note dated 9/8/2019, the petitioner shall serve a copy of the rate petition to the Standing Counsel for the Finance Department, representing respondent number 2. Mr. A. Sadia, Leonard, Standing Counsel for Finance Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Just change the language. Mr. A. Sadia, Standing Counsel for the Finance Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Mr. Accordingly, a copy of the rate petition be served on him in course of the day. Affidavit in opposition shall positively file within 8/5/2023. This is the matter on 12/5/2023. Record your presence. No, it's okay. Item number
26.
26, Ms. S.K. Goswami. I've asked him to look into the matter. He's trying to get it, but I've given you liberty to impeach the new persons. Otherwise, in contempt, we can't issue a direction on the Standing Counsel. So I've given that opportunity. In the meantime, we'll look into the matter.
Two petitioners are already retired from service. Their pension also directly to be paid. That is also not true. And
Okay.
another contempt petition is pending.
Okay,
They have released from service by giving a letter. They are also not paid.
okay. Just
Obliged.
look into it, Mr. Mazumdar.
My release.
Okay.
Lordship is fixing on 8.
Yes.
12/5.
Affidavit by 8th, listing on 12th.
Already.
But you serve copy on Mr. Salia.
My lord.
31.
Minimum quintet requirement. Yeah.
The order, my lord.
Have you filed an application for implementing? No.
My lord, I already sent them, my lord, the copy of the order, because the newcomer may not know. And my lord,
Have you filed an application for implementing? No.
no, my lord. My lord, 1 week, my lord.
Okay. Mr. S. Chauhan, the counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has put the new incumbent to notice of complying with the order of the court. And he prays for it is granted a week's time to file a implementing application. So this matter along with the implementing application to be filed by the petitioner.
33.
Lordship, we have already complied. We have already made a payment of rupees 5 lakhs that has been already paid, Lordship.
Okay. Now I present call for the petitioner. Yes, Mr. SMT Chisti, Leonard Counsel for the respondent
The sole respondent.
has submitted that he has received written instructions by letter dated 18/4/2023, informing that payment of rupees 5 lakh has already been made by the education within bracket elementary bracket close department as compensation to the parents of victim Mosam MOUSAN Raj Mahanta MAHANT, deceased student of Saraswati Shiksha Niketan, Mirza, in compliance of the order dated 9/10/2018 passed by this court in WBC 2727 of 2012. For which sanction was accorded on 4/3/2021. It is the Learned Counsel for the respondent has also produced a copy of advice slip for transfer of the said amount to bank account number 3869273 in the name of Achut Chand Mahanta, ACHYUT CH full stop Mahanta. First of the instructions of produce are kept as a part of record. Mr. Foreign Judge Justice, the matter stands adjourned today. List after 2 weeks. Mr. CC, I have recorded your statement.
Yes, Lord.
But I'm adjourning it since the petitioner is not there. After 2 weeks.
Yes, Lord.
No, perhaps he has got it. That is why he's not
Perhaps
appearing.
he has got it. That's why they are. Anyway.
RT4. RT4.
The pension has been granted, the final pension payment order has come. Madam.
Okay. None appears on call for the petitioner. Mr. R. Muzinda, counsel for the respondent, has produced a copy of pension payment order, right? Dated 17/3/2020.
36. উঠানে নয় টেলিফোন
relating to PPO number capital ADP oblique PPO oblique GPO oblique 2020 oblique 064410 in favor of Sri Hemchandra Kalita, retired head teacher. He has also referred to the instructions dated 27/3/2023 by the Undersecretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, indicating that the pension matter of the petitioner has already been finalized. The Copy of PPO dated 17/3/2020 is kept as a part of record. Range of justice, the matter is adjourned today. List of 2 weeks. I'm recording that. Adjourned for 2 weeks.
35, I have given the compliance order on the mail, my lord. We have passed an order on 25 November 2022. We have passed a speaking order.
Okay, now appears on call for the petitioner. Mr. R. Mazumdar, on a standing counsel for the Elementary Education Department, has submitted that although he is not the engaged counsel for the respondents, but he has been instructed that,
Lordship, may record Mr. Bhattacharya's name, my lord. His name is there.
oh, his name is there. Okay, so just right, Mr. SP Bhattacharya. Counsel for the respondents has submitted that he has received instructions to the effect that yes,
We have, the commissioner secretary has passed a speaking order in compliance with the orders of the honorable court.
that the Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Assam Elementary Education Department has passed a speaking order, which is in compliance with the order of this court. Next, for injustice, the matter stands adjourned today. List of 2 weeks. This has been communicated to the petitioner also.
Yes, ma'am.
Just write the comma, which has been communicated to the petitioner. Okay.
That is your bicycle.
36 lawsuits that inspector of the DEO of lawsuit Kasak has already submitted the pension papers to the director of pension lawsuits on 18/2/2023 lawsuits. Now the matter is pending before the pension department lawsuits.
My lord, I have not received any pension matter till date.
No, it is now pending before the pension department.
My friend is lawsuit, he is appearing from
I had a conversation with them, your lordship. By 2, I'll be able to present place before your lordship to update instruction.
Okay, add to them.
Yes.
Add to them.
Take focus.
37 and 38.
The petitioner has received the year salary. That is infectious. 31, 38.
You have received the.
We have paid.
On instructions, Mr. S.R. Govil and counsel for the petitioner submits that the order of the court has been complied with. Mr. R. Mazumdar, understanding for the Elementary Education Department. You're also appearing,
And put your respond of court.
and Mr.
A Google.
A. Govil and counsel for respondent both 4 are present. Matter is closed as the closed on compliance.
Read petition can be also closed person.
Both.
Read petition.
The writ petition was for payment of the area salary and the current salary at the present rate. By an interim order, he is already getting the benefit. But whether he is entitled to it or not has to be decided.
If it's on area salary, see, only for the area salary.
This, the writ petition is only for area salary.
So it can be closed, man. He's got the area salary.
It's not for time salary.
In the writ petition, you're right. That's also
Petition
counsel
idea,
for
no?
the petitioner, it's also same order. Closed for purchase.
39.
Here it will be closed as infractions, as he has received the area salary. Yes,
Which is non-compliance of order to the 7th of August 2019. By this order, lordship, the respondent complainer was directed to hold the DPC lordship for promotion to the next higher post lordship of the petitioner. The earlier income was retired from service, therefore lordship last occasion on this honorable court was directed to implement one Vijay Sudhirship as the respondent complainer, and accordingly I have implemented.
yes, nobody is appearing for Pritam Saikia and Sanjeev Kumar Bhaiya. Nobody is appearing for this Pritam Saikia and Sanjeev Kumar Bhaiya.
So both of them are not in the department right now.
But they have to file an affidavit that they, what they've
Mr.
done.
Sanjeev Mia is no more, my lord, he was expired.
Yes,
And Pritam Saikia is not in the department, he's on the recruitment board now, holding on the post.
no, but for the contempt.
I'll have it looked into, my lord. Item 1? Item 39. Eta copy দিবি। কপিটা দিব মই পঠিয়াই দিম
Your name,
MK Neil.
MK,
Neil.
Mr. MK Dev, counsel for the petitioner is
Yes,
present. Mr. R. Vasinta, standing counsel for the elementary education department, has submitted on the query of the court that respondent number 2, namely Sanjeev Kumar Bhaiya, is already expired. And he has submitted that respondent number 1, Pritam Saikia, is no longer the commission secretary to the government of Assam, education within bracket elementary, bracket those department.
আৰু changes.
For the justice, the matter stands adjourned. Enable the respondent number 1 to file an affidavit, telling which the court would be compelled to pass appropriate orders for personal appearance of the respondent number 1. His personal appearance has not yet been dispensed with. That's why in the meanwhile, the petitioner is at liberty to put the new incumbents to notice of complying with the order of the court and file an implementing application. Rest after 2 weeks.
Obviously.
Yes.
One and 42. Forty-one and 42.
May I please also, in this case, Lordship, Dean senior government advocate, he will appear, Lordship, in this case, Lordship. And he's on legs in court number 1.
Okay.
So let this one on taken up on next week or
No, you see, this is application under, I don't know why it has been pending for such a long time.
yes, Lordship.
226(3) application.
And there is a review also, Lordship. Review is there, Lordship. Item 42, Lordship, is a review. Director from the Director of Social Welfare.
Yes. That is only for recalling of that compensation.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
I think we'll take it up at later part of the day.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, for higher education, Lordship, K. Gogoi is appearing, Lordship, and he's at present out of station, Lordship, out of some, Lordship, and after maybe at 2027, he will come on 26, Lordship.
16 matter.
Lost, that's
Well,
lost. But otherwise, he is.
So many deaths they have taken and many deaths they are irregular.
He is always protecting the distance.
Yeah, he's always there, that is true.
My lord, I am appearing, my lord, respondent number 5, my lord. My lord, today, my lord, the respondent number 3 and 4, my lord. My lord, he is a governing body, my lord, Mr. K.K. Fukan, my lord. He is, my lord, not well, my lord. He is due to, my lord, medical, my lord. He is not, my lord, come to today, my lord. He is not.
Because you see, this is matter is pending
Yes,
since
sir.
2016.
27, Lordship. He will come on 25.
We have urgency in this matter, my lord. Since long we are pursuing this matter.
Once he's out of station, he'll come when?
26, I think.
26, he'll be back.
25 or 26.
My lord, fixed on first week of May, my lord.
That will be released.
Um,
4th May, my lord.
Sure. Any Mohammed, when counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. S. Bhuyan, I'm standing counsel for the Higher Education Department. Raised for adjournment on the ground that that Mr. K. Gogoi on a standing counsel who's holding the brief is out of station. Mr. L. N. Dingyar and counsel for respondent number 5.
Lordship.
Also placed for adjournment on the ground that Mr. K. K. Fukan and counsel for respondent number 3 and 4 is ill. Next part. It is noted that this is a repetition of year 2016. And notice has been issued by order dated 22, 2016. and pleadings has been exchanged. Next, for those, this is the matter stands adjourned today. 2nd May. List this matter on 2/5/2023. On which date the matter shall not be adjourned.
2/5.
2/5. Mr. Mahmood.
Hello.
You are claiming that appropriate marks should be granted to the petitioner.
Yes. And in additional affidavit, we have prayed to set aside, and on the basis of assessment of the marks, I may be appointed.
But you see, somebody must have been appointed by now in that post.
Yes,
No, my lord. Still,
respondent
my
number
lord.
5 has been appointed.
Still, my lord, hang.
Respondent number 5 has been appointed.
Still, my lord, not fill up my lord, any my lord candidate, my lord.
It's not filled up
Yes,
by
my
any
lord, my lord,
candidate.
the petitioner, my lord, is a my lord, employee, my lord, is another college, is my lord, but my lord, respondent number 5, my lord, I am my lord, still my lord, I am the unemployed girl, my lord. I was selected, my lord, by governing body. In fact, my lord, after participating, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, approached before the honorable court, my lord.
Okay. Okay. I'll take a break and come back.
Lordship's permission, item 39, my lord. Lordship has asked the respondent number 1 to file a detailed affidavit. But I'm told he has just appeared, my lord, is complied with.
Item 39.
39, my lord.
Item 39, petitioner was there. Petitioner was not
Petitioner
there.
was there, petitioner was there. Yes, MK Nyog was there, my lord. Mr. MK Nyog. The lordship directed me to take instructions from the.
Okay.
For the copy, my lord. I'm told it's complied with.
Okay, in item 39, don't write Mr. Arvind there. Right. Mr. B. Talukdar, the constable case for respondent about 1.
No, it is.
One, my lord.
And he submitted that the order has been. That he has received instructions dated 24/6/2020. That the order of this court has been complied with. And instructions has already been issued to the. And according as per instructions, the DDO has already prepared fill number 5 dated 14/2/2020. And accordingly, the treasury officer of the command Himaji had issued token number 1137 dated 15/2/2020. And accordingly, the retired, the petitioner was a retired BEEO Dhemaji has issued a money receipt. By this letter dated 23/6/2020. So the said instructions is made a part of the record. List on. Give it next week. Then. We're keeping it next week then. Information you. In this call also give that name, Mr. MK Nyog, item 39.
And informed, I have informed.
I'm calling him, I think, because since I'm ordering the order.
Obliged.
We can come back.
Obliged.
কি হলো এটা? 56 মান 56 57 56 57 নহয় 55 56 এইটো তাৰ মানে 27 তাৰিখে মাতিব ডেট লোৱা আছে
Part 2 hearing list.
Anybody is ready with part 2? I don't think so.
Fifty-one. 51.
Scroll করে দিয়েছেন।
Notification আছে না লগত? লগত আছে না? কার হয়তো সব ডিপার্টমেন্টে
So if anybody comes, you can just call me. There was no point sitting here and dismissing today just after BO. Yes, Mr. Sharma. You are in which matter?
No, Lordship, that there are two review applications. One review application is preferred by the state.
Yes.
But I am also praying for some accommodation, Lordship, as because we are also handicapped, Lordship. The file is also not with us, Lordship. That is why I am praying for some time. That item 41 meeting.
41, 42.
41, 42. I am praying for some time, Lordship. Any other day, Lordship, as per your Lordship's convenience.
41, 42, who was for the petitioner?
The BC Chaudhary. BC Chaudhary.
He has not come.
He has not come.
Okay, also it's a duty represented. I should, none a present call for the petitioner. How are all the respondents are represented? For end of justice, the matter stands adjourned today. List on.
As per your Lordship's convenience. Any other day.
8 May.
Much obliged.
If both sides are ready in part 2, just call me, I'll come back.
Today the scope would be little.
Bleak.
Petitioners mostly are yet to be back.
2 days back, somebody told me that Dr. B. Ahmed, he is not well. Are you aware of his health status? No.
Yes, Lordship. I have heard about that, Lordship. Most probably he is because of diabetes, Lordship, some problem is going on with him. And he is not attending the court for last about 1.5 months, Lordship.
No, that's why yesterday somebody told me that he is unwell. I just wanted to keep a tab on his health. Okay. Because I don't even have his numbers.
Lordship,
Director is not there today with me. Somebody associated with him, we can ask him. Okay, then I'll come at 2 if not otherwise called.
Much ado.